Hello everyone, my name is Jess and welcome to my channel. Okay guys, so for today's video I want to share with you 3 new DIYs that I made using Dollar Tree items and things that I have around my home. And these DIYs are so easy to make. You can make them in like 5 minutes or less and they're going to look really good on your home. So I just hope that you can get inspired by these ideas, and if you like them, please a big thumbs up. That really helps to support this channel, and make sure that you're subscribed and that you hit the bell if you are not yet to get notified every single time that I'm going to be uploading new videos. And guys, I post a new video on my other YouTube channel, Jazomy home. It's so funny and I need your help. So we have like kind of like a battle between my husband and me, and I need your support, so make sure that you check the video. The link is going to be in the description box of this video. You need to be Team Jazz. I need your support. If you don't know what I'm talking about, make sure that you watch that other video. So yeah, I hope that you like this one, and let's get started. For this project, you're going to need one candle holder. Dollar Tree right now have so many options. This one is white, and I'm also going to be using some spray paint. I'm going to be using this camouflage from Rust-Oleum, and I really like it. I really love the color. This is one of my favorite colors. And I decided to do something really fun. I'm going to be adding this spray paint in a bowl with water. And what I'm trying is to create kind of like a marble look. So in order to do that, you have to add the spray paint color on your water, and then you have to add the candle holder into the water super slowly, and the spray paint that you add to the water is going to stick on your candle holder. I add the spray paint, but it did not cover the whole candle holder, so I just add a little bit more, and then I covered the rest of the candle holder. And I don't know if it was because of this type of spray paint, it looks more rustic than like a marble look, but I still like it. Let me know in the comments what you think about this technique. Then I'm going to be using these glass bowls that you can get on the kitchen section, and I really like it because it's clear, and I think you have so many possibilities with these. I decided to add these on the top of the candle holder, and I'm going to be using some hot glue to stick it, but you can use maybe E6000 to make sure that it sticks stronger. Then you can add a candle on top. You can add some greenery. This is like a small piece of garland that I have. You have so many options. You maybe can add some decorative bowls or something like that, and I think it's going to look amazing on any part of your home. Really easy to do, and it's on a budget. For this next project, I'm going to be using this vase that I found on a Dollar Tree, and oh my god, I was so impressed about this. It's super big. I love the shape it has, and I think it's just perfect. And I decided to try something really fun with this vase. I'm going to be using some tape. This is like the blue tape that I always use from Dollar Tree. It's perfect to use it as a kind of like a stencil. And I'm going to be adding these on the bottom part of the vase, trying to create a straight line. Then I'm going to be using some paper, and I'm gonna cover the top part of this vase because I'm going to be painting these. For that, I'm going to be using this metallic copper spray paint color, and I'm going to be using these to paint the bottom part of this vase. And I really love this color. I think it's perfect now for fall, but also looks pretty neutral for any time of the year. I'm going to paint these, and then I'm going to let it dry. You can give it 2 coats of paint if you want, and then I'm going to remove the tape. And then, as you can see, I add some stones inside just to give it some weight and a nice touch. And then you can add a leaf. I decided to add these dried flowers from Dollar Tree. They come in a bush. I think this vase can look amazing if you add something simple like a pampas or maybe some branches, and this copper color looks amazing all year round. So you're going to have a really pretty neutral vase. For this next project, I'm going to be using a piece of fabric. I decided to go with the very neutral color, and I'm going to be cutting a big circle. Once I have that, I'm going to be using this nautical rope from Dollar Tree. And basically what I'm going to be doing is to stick this rope all around this circle fabric that I have in that spiral shape. I'm going to be sticking this with hot glue. You maybe can use a fabric glue to stick it stronger, but I think hot glue works great, so that's what I'm using. I formed this circle. It was so easy and so fast, and this is how it's going to look. And I stick it on a piece of fabric because I think now it's so much easier to stick it in any other place. Basically, I decided to use this throw pillow cover that I have at home. You can get these from Walmart, from Amazon. If I found something, I'm going to leave you a link in the description box. And what I'm going to be doing is to stick the circle, the rope circle, in the center of the pillow cover. Next, what I'm going to be doing is to be using more of this nautical rope, and I need something a little bit thinner, so I'm going to separate this rope in 3 pieces. Then I'm going to be using one of those pieces, and I'm gonna try to create like so many knots. Hope that makes sense and you can see what I'm doing. But basically I'm going to be using one strip of rope, and I'm going to start making so many knots and leaving a space about 2 or 3 inches between each one of the knots. Once I have my rope with all of these knots, I'm going to be cutting them, and I'm going to be cutting where the knot is. You're going to end with so many pieces like these. And then what I want to do is that with the rest of the rope, I'm gonna try to like brush that to make it like really puffy and big. You can use a brush. This one has like wire hairs. You can get this at Dollar Tree. And I did the same with all of the pieces that I cut. I cut so many pieces, but it's so easy and fast, and for me it was kind of like a relaxing time. Once I have all of those pieces, I'm going to start sticking them all around the circle of rope that I just stick on my pillow cover. Very close. I'm going to be using again hot glue. It's going to work just fine. Once I have that part ready, I just have to add a pillow insert, and I got this one from Amazon and I really love them. I always get them from Amazon, and of course I'm going to leave you the link in the description box. They are so cheap, they come in different sizes, and they work amazing as throw pillows. Okay, once I was done, this is how my project turned out. I'm so happy how it looked. I think I'm going to be making another one to have a set for my living room, and I really like it. It was so much fun, so easy to make, and it's going to really pop out a lot of my cushions. So yeah, you can use all of these decor ideas all year round. They are so beautiful and easy to make, and I just hope that you can get inspired by these. You can create so many things on a budget using Dollar Tree items on whatever you have at home, and I just hope that you can get ideas from this video. And if you do, please say big thumbs up. That really helps to support this channel. Let me know in the comments which was your favorite DIY, and make sure that you are subscribed and that you hit the bell to get notified every single time that I'm going to be uploading new videos. Thank you so much for all the love and support. Remember to follow me on all my social media pages. Remember to watch my new video on Jazomy home, and see you in the next time. Mwah.